So here we are. I can't get past this spot at 70 feet. I'm guessing that that's right before the city. It's hard to say. We have a chimney here, so we'll just start pulling it back. So it's pretty broken up right here. You can see the cracking. Well, we're going to try to clean the lens off. Hold on. Alright, we got the lens cleaned up a little bit there. So come back. This is where the breaks start to happen. Looks like possibly that's a little root sitting there on that the next section, or it's actually broken, it looks like. So you can see it's pretty crushed here. It's crushed in from the side. It's buckling. It's pushing in. It's not going to be too much longer until it's really catastrophic. We have cracking all along here too, at the kind of top there, all the way to there, and then it seems like it's not in this section at all, but it's hard to say with all that grease on there. So then we come back. Hold on, let me make some notes. So we come back here, starting at 56 feet to, we got a little bit of a belly here, low spot, just holding a little bit of water. So we're not able to see the bottom of the pipe, and it's just holding water, so. Go right here. There's some light roots down the whole thing. It's definitely been cleaned a bunch. So now we're coming back into the 4-inch pipe that's inside the house here. Just pull that back. We're up and out. You also need a new sewer cap because this thing's just laying on there. So